Do you find shaving to be annoying the way that I do? I find shaving to be so freaking annoying. I'm so serious. So I want to talk to you about this new IPL device from the company Ulike. Let me tell you a little bit about the company, show you how the product works, and give you my honest thoughts and opinions. So let's jump right into it. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of an IPL device from a company called Ulike. Now let me tell you a little bit about them. About the brand, Ulike was founded in 2013 and they are dedicated to providing a solution that allows everyone to have a luxurious IPL, which is intense pulsed light hair removal treatment anytime at home. Until 2022, Ulike has nearly 100 patents worldwide and specializes in high-end and advanced medical IPL hair removal. Ulike's diamond freezing technology patent solves the burning sensation and pain experienced when taking an IPL treatment at home. They strive to be the drivers of the industry's progress and development. So that's a little bit about the company Ulike. And when they reached out to me and wanted me to try their product as well as sponsor this video, thank you so much. I was super excited. Now I have tried IPL hair removal in the past. I kind of like the results, but I want to see if I could be more consistent with it and definitely try it again with this brand and this product. So now let me show you how the product works, how I use it. I like to use it when I'm comfortable at home. You know, I got the TV on in the background, you know, my computer's there. I like to do it when I'm relaxed and at home and comfortable. I'm gonna switch into voiceover and tell you more about the product as well as the results that I experienced right here. Ooh, do you see this packaging? It's so luxurious. I love it. Inside the box comes a few items along with the IPL hair removal device. You get a mini shaver, you see the instruction booklet, a nice cover for your device, and some protective eyewear to wear during the process. That's very important. Now onto the device. It's lightweight and gorgeous. I absolutely love the color. Isn't it pretty? The charger to connect it so that it works, and the wire to plug it into an outlet and power the device. With that all out of the way, let me show you the process. So here's how my arms look unshaved. The hair on my arms is very, very fine, but hard to remove. I have very stubborn hair. So I will shave my left arm with the shaver that came in the box and show you how it works. I power it on, I keep it on the first level since this is my first time trying it, put on my protective eyewear, and I get started. I like to work in small sections, as you can see, gently gliding the IPL device across each section and pressing the button. What I love about this device is how simple it is to use and how there's no irritation or redness to my skin. I have very, very sensitive skin, but the new and upgraded sapphire ice cooling system really helps my skin feel nice and cool with each pulse. It's also FDA cleared, safe to use on your body and face. You will see hair reduction in as little as 3 weeks, and you can say goodbye to strawberry skin or ingrown hair. Not to mention no more shaving. Yay! My thoughts so far, I really, really like this process more than the last time I tried IPL hair removal, and my skin feels so soft, so smooth, and overall great. No irritation, none of that. I highly recommend this product. It's an investment, but your skin, no doubt, will thank you. Especially with summertime around the corner here in New York City, this is definitely gonna come in handy. So, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you interested in trying this at-home device? I know like the world is open back up, but I really, really do appreciate at-home treatments. Sometimes Treatments that are done in spas or other places can be very, very costly and be very, very expensive, especially over time. So I absolutely love that at-home treatments are being offered more now, or at-home devices such as this one, the IPL Hair Removal Device. And you can do this process from the comfort of your own home. That's what sells me on it the most. And I absolutely really do love the experience that I had using this product. My skin feels nice. It doesn't feel irritated. It doesn't feel red or itchy or anything like that. I didn't really have much of a burning sensation because of the cooling factor from this product, which I absolutely appreciate and love. And so I definitely highly suggest you check them out. Click the link in the description box down below. That has all of the information about this device. Thank you so much, Ulike, for sponsoring this video and working alongside me. And I really, really, really like this device, and I will update you all on the continued results that I received using the IPL Hair Removal Device. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye, guys.